Hello, my beautiful, gorgeous people. Today, I packed a person named Pack McDonald's, and I have assembled 4 members of the Fantastic Packers, and we just packed the ever-living crap out of this dude.
Yuri 22 é o bravo da putaria.
The Fantastic Packers. 3, 2, 1, go! Fantastic Packers! Shut the fuck! Your name is Pack McDonald's, my boy! Idiot! Shit, you idiot! Man, go! Shut the bitch! Fucking name is Pack McDonald's! Shut the when I sing it once, I like you know, goddamn stupid. You He left. Guys, we made Pack McDonald's leave. We made Pack McDonald's. For the people who stayed all the way to the end, you're a real one, and I have a surprise for you at the end of this yapping session. Thank you guys so much for watching. I swear, I love you guys. Thank you so much for hitting 150 subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. I do. Now,
Okay.
make Pack McDonald's leave. Damn.
What are you talking about? Oh my god. Oh wait, are we done?
Got double
Okay, done.
Bro,
Okay,
bro got
right now. It's